Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about how to set SMART goals. Yes, do you know spelling of SMART? It is SMART. So what does it stands for? The word itself says what kind of goals we should set. So first is S. S should be specific. Your goals should be specific. It should not be just haphazardly decided, right? So you should be very much specific in deciding your goal, right? M starts for measurable. Your whatever goal you set, it needs to be measurable, right? Not miserable. It's measurable, right? You should be like, I want to lose weight, but how much weight? So it has to be some measure. I want to lose 5 kg weight or 2 kg weight or 10 kg weight, right? Then comes A. A is for achievable. You should not keep such goals which you cannot achieve in a given time. You should not keep very high goals which you cannot achieve, right? I can say I can lose weight 2 kg in 2 months. Okay, feasible. I know my capacity, I know my eating habits, and accordingly I can set my goals, right? So you should be setting a goal which you can achieve. It doesn't mean that okay, you can write only I will lose 1 kg weight in 2 months, right? That is too less to achieve. So it has to be in a proper measurement that okay, I will lose 5 kg weights in 2 months, which is like totally feasible and achievable, right? Next is R. The goal should be realistic, right? It should not be some dream based kind of thing which is completely not at all achievable, right? Which is out of our capacity. So we should set some realistic goals, right? Which has some meaning, which has something to do with us, and not just haphazardly we are deciding any goals, right? So they are not goals. You have to set a goal which are realistic. Fifth is T. T is time bound, means you have to set a particular time limit to achieve your goal. So whenever you are setting any goal, you have to set a time limit that after 1 year I'll be earning 1 lakh rupees. But 1 year means which date, which month. So at least you can decide month that okay, by December 2021 I'll be earning 1 lakh rupees, right? And similarly you can say okay, by October 2020 I'll be losing 10 kg weight according to your capacity. So put a date to your goal, put a timeline to your goal, so that you can always keep in mind that okay, I have to achieve this by this time, and so you can put your efforts accordingly. So it's a smart goal. When you set a goal, don't simply set a goal which has no direction. Now you must be saying that why, how we can set smart goals. We have so many goals, so many dreams in our life. So you have to first prioritize what is important for your life. So prioritize the things which are important and urgent and greatly needed in your life, right? You are desperately looking for, your goal should be that particular thing, right? Everything cannot be your goal. So you have to prioritize, you have to shortlist from the huge list of dreams and goals what you think of, right? And what you can achieve of. So put your all dreams, all goals, what you are thinking of on these 5 elements of being smart. Are those things smart? Are they achievable? Are they realistic? Are they time bound? Are they achievable? Are they specific? So ask these questions to each and every goal which comes to your mind, and on the basis of that you can set your goal. Yes, you can have 4 5 goals, like it should be financial goal, it can be a goal related to health, it can be goal related to your spiritual attainments, or the goal can be related to your family, your home, your car, right? But you have to be very specific when you set your goals, right? So now don't wait for anything and start looking for a smart goal in your life which can change your life like anything. And once you start achieving your goal, nobody can stop you to achieve success. Okay? Till then, bye bye.